Uh-oh, we got trouble. That's an hour or two behind.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, central Maury County in Middle Tennessee, south central Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Columbia, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Spring Hill, Mount Pleasant, Thompson's Station, and I-65 east of Columbia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 39 and 57. Interstate 840 between mile markers 32 and 33. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly clouds of ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.
CriticalHealthNews.com.
The great traffic. Central Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:07 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Columbia, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lewisburg and Farmington. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 34 and 39. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly clouds of ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Pretty heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Christ almighty.
With levels around 16 feet at the Blacksburg gauge, flooding of low-lying farmland along the river is ongoing. Areas along Buffalo Creek may be beginning to flood due to backwater effects. The Broad River may be flooding River Road and Little Holt Road near US 29. Warning is in effect until tomorrow morning for the Broad River, with levels around 16 feet at the Blacksburg gauge. Flooding of low-lying farmland along the river is ongoing. Areas along Buffalo Creek may be beginning to flood due to backwater effects. The Broad River may be flooding River Road and Little Hope Road near US 29.
It means to be in cooks or servers on board. There's two
I forgot to turn you on display mode, so there's that. I know we're gonna get something out of this heavy rain. What counties were this for again? The Broad River in Cherokee and York counties. Gotcha.
Low-lying areas adjacent to drainages and streams, including parks, greenways and trails, golf courses, road access areas, farmland. Waters will approach Riverside Drive near 5th and 6th Streets in Cramerton, and may also approach homes along the Tama Run Road near the street house. Near Sandcastle Road. A flood warning is in effect for the South Fork Catawba River at Lowell. As the river rises to near 11 feet, flood waters will cover Riverside Park in Cramerton and inundate Goat Island Park. Flood waters will approach Riverside Drive near 5th and 6th Streets in Cramerton and may also approach homes along Catawba Run Road near the street house. Hoyle Creek floodwaters, possibly due to backwater effects from the South Fork Catawba River, may begin to impact the old Willis School Road Bridge near Sandcastle Road.
woman named Steph.
Okay, I gotta put this as a preset. There we go.
Occurred in 1943, and the record low is 36, which occurred in 1967. Sunrise today is at 6:36. Flooding throughout the Rocky River headwaters will continue to rise this morning due to excess runoff from earlier heavy rainfall. Watch for developing flooding along that creek near Farm Mill Road, Robinson Church Road, and Stallings Road. Flooding along Rocky River Road and Sequoia Hill Road will develop as the morning wears on, and possibly encroach Poplar Pit Road. The Rocky River headwaters will continue to rise this morning due to excess runoff from earlier heavy rainfall. Watch for developing flooding along that creek near Farm Mill Road, Robinson Church Road, and Stallings Road. Flooding along Rocky River Road and Sequoia Hill Road will develop as the morning wears on, and possibly encroach Poplar Pit Road.
This is what?
Solid job and recruitment fair.
This is gonna go on all morning, is it?
A flood warning is in effect for the Emery River at Whitmire. At 25.0 feet, river goes on near and downstream 28.0 feet. Tacoma Country Road along the river becomes flooded. At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, the stage was 20.7 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tonight to a crest of 26.2 feet Saturday evening.
At 28.0 feet, Tacoma Country Road along the river becomes flooded. At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, the stage was 20.7 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tonight to a crest of 26.2 feet Saturday evening. If it's considered...
You guys shut up already?
This is a river flood product for the following counties in South Carolina, Newberry and Union. Flood warning in effect from late tonight to Monday morning.
Is this literally the same thing?
Is forecast. Where? Henry River at Whitmire. When? From late tonight to
It is literally the same thing.
At 25.0 feet, river Potomac near and downstream from Whitmire becomes flooded. At 28.0 feet, Tacoma Country Road along the river becomes flooded. Do not drive into flooded roadways. Additional details. At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, the stage was 20.7 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tonight to a crest of 26.2 feet Saturday evening. It will then fall below flood stage Sunday morning. Flood stage is 25.0 feet. http://www.floodsafety.noaa.gov.